Let's have a look at backflushing. Backflushing is the process used to clean out the shower screen, the group head, and the three-way valve of the espresso machine. It's important to keep your espresso machine clean at all times. Let's have a look at the 15-step procedure for backflushing. Step 1. Remove the portafilter basket from the portafilter. Step 2. Insert the rubber blind filter into the portafilter. Put 1 scoop of cleaning detergent into the portafilter. Now, insert the portafilter into the group head. Start the group head and allow it to run for 5 seconds and then turn it off. Repeat the cycle of switching on and off every 5 seconds and do this 5 times in a row. Once you have done this, remove the portafilter and run the group head while using the brush to clean the shower screen and the group head. Once you have done this, turn off the group head. Take the portafilter and rinse it. Then insert the portafilter into the group head with the blind filter, but without the cleaning detergent. Again, go through the sequence of running the group head in 5-second intervals 5 times in a row, without the cleaning detergent this time. Remember to repeat these steps on all of the group heads. Now we need to fill a tub with hot water and add 2 scoops of cleaning detergent. We will use this to soak the portafilters and filter baskets in the solution. When doing this, try to avoid getting the portafilter handles in the solution, as they could get damaged. Once you have done this, use the brush to scrub the portafilters and the baskets. This is a critical process to make sure that your espresso machine is in 100% ship shape, as well as all of the implements that you are using to produce your coffee.